A warm welcome to yet another exciting episode of #Showbiz on Indus TV. I'm your host Usha Changa. I hope you have this. Subscribe to Indus TV because all these episodes are released every week for your entertainment. And what are we talking about? Yes, today we're going to have a fun episode. Get ready because your favorite show, Metro Park, yes, you probably have checked it out. And if you haven't, you should definitely check it out as well. They have another mini series edition. They have a mini series for quarantine time. Of course, if you know those characters, you know it's going to be a fun episode. So get your chai, your coffee, sit down. We're going to enjoy a fun conversation with the writer-director combo, Abhi Varghese and Ajayan Venugopalan. Here we go. We're going to give you a jhalak of Metro Park quarantine. Oh my God, you're going to fall off the chair laughing. Here we go.
I am Mr. Kalpesh Patel of Sign and Ismail Insurance.
गुड मॉर्निंग कल्पेश भाई।
अरे तूने ये मास्क क्यों पहना है?
कंप्यूटर के एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सपायर हो गया है। बेटर सॉरी देन सेफ ना।
Go Corona, Corona go, go Corona, Corona go, go Corona go.
ए पायल, ये क्या किया है? कोई दूसरा चैलेंज कर रही होगी तू? राखी सावंत बनाओ हस्बैंड को।
Go Corona, Corona go, go Corona, Corona go, go Corona, Corona go, go.
भाई कौन है?
Astronaut. Go Corona.
कौन सा ना?
A warm welcome, Abhi and Ajay, to #Showbiz.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
And we're going to have fun talking to you guys. I absolutely loved Metro Park, and I actually watched Metro Park Quarantine. I was laughing so loud. I had my headphones on, and my whole family was trying to figure out why I was laughing so loud. So going into the first question I have, my first dying question for you. Everything that happens in a Desi family, everything that was happening in Desi families during quarantine is in your show. Anything that has happened, name it, it's there. Jaise lag raha tha, you guys were sitting in our houses through the windows, peeking in and figuring out what was happening in every family, and you've taken it to your shows. How and who gave you all this material? How did you guys come up with all of these scenes?
I think most of the stories come from our own
Yeah,
lives,
our own personal
our own
lives.
personal lives,
Yeah,
you
we
know.
don't have to hunt for them. It comes to us naturally because, yeah, as the question itself has the answer to it. I mean, it comes from the daily lives in, Abhi and I, Abhi, you want to?
No, so we have, we have family members, that look and talk like Kalpesh. We have people in our family that, talk like Payal. Same thing with like the Omi character. We are, I think a part of all those characters are us too.
Yeah, of course. A lot many times when I talk to my kids and I try to give them advice about life, I suddenly realize I'm exactly talking like
You're
Kalpesh
getting
Patel.
old.
So that's where it comes from, and the minute I tell that to my kids, I realize that, oh my God, I exactly sound like the characters I just wrote, or I'm going to write.
I think that's one thing we started to realize too. Like we make fun of these things, but at the end of the day,
It's about us.
maybe it is us.
Maybe we are making fun of us.
Maybe it is us.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking the show started like around March, April. The quarantine was just new to people. Can you share some of the safety concerns that you may have needed to deal with? Because obviously nobody even wanted to see anyone, right? So how did you guys shoot? How did you take care of the safety of all the actors and all the crew members?
Well, it was completely shot at the earlier, right? When did we start?
I think we started in a very early phase of quarantine.
Yeah, but everybody was home around the world, so we did not have to. At that point, nobody was getting out of their house.
Yeah.
So, so this was shot completely independently by. So all our actors were spread across the globe practically. Few were in Mumbai. There was few in Delhi. A few in Washington D.C., Texas, New Jersey. Did we have somebody in New Jersey?
I think we have one or two people in New Jersey.
Ohio.
As well.
So we had people from all over. So safety was not a big concern because it was very restricted. The whole shoot happened inside the house. There was no outdoor shoot. whatnot.
I think one of the biggest issues that we ran into was that none of the actors had their own equipments, right? So
Correct.
having lighting and all that. So we constantly asked some of the actors to get some lighting, some stuff. And one of the funny things that I figured out was that when we asked Pidobaj, who plays Bittu, he just sent me a picture of the outside of his house with cops everywhere. He's like, I
Yeah.
cannot go anywhere. So don't expect me to do anything.
Yeah. So more than the safety, I think it was the equipments and how are we going to even shoot this, especially the houses look different, the, even the decor, everything changes and it's different. So how are we going to, get around it and make it look like it's shot in a one place? So that was the most trickiest part, more than the safety at that point, I think, right? Maybe.
Yeah, I think so too. I think we were less concerned about the safety, but more concerned about how everyone, all the characters in those different places would seem, the storyline would be like.
The other question I had for you was, did you have to have any of the actors, did they have to travel from India for this? Because travel was a huge concern then, right?
No, I think so. Because of the quarantine, everyone had their own specific place to shoot in, and we couldn't do much about it. So I think the hardest challenge was making stories that were relevant, that had these constraints. So while Ajay was writing, I think he had a bunch of constraints that he had to write, along with, and I think that was a very hard, challenging thing too. But I felt that maybe the creativity went more because of that.
Right. And see, for example, when you look back, there are a lot of the scenes like Omi doing the costume, that was actually Abhi inside the costume doing it. So, so it was all stitched together. There was so many people behind the scenes. Like, for example, we had people, grabbing stuff. Like, for example, the coffee. There was 2 different locations, 3 different, another hand grabbing a tea. So those were the interesting things. All the small things was a challenge. How are we going to pull off something like an actor passing a tea mug, between 2? That was a challenge in itself. How are we going to do it, So there were 3 separate locations in that one exchange of coffee, right?
Yeah, I think
that was the biggest thing. Remember how we had almost discussed for an hour, how are we going to do that coffee? Like how was Kalpesh passing the coffee to?
So basically we had Payal passing this coffee, putting it on a desk, and then Kalpesh taking the coffee and drinking the same thing. So the coffee cup needed to match and all these different things. So yeah, the challenge was how do you make sure that every one of these guys has the same prop? But then, I realized that I had to do a lot of stuff in between when we were cutting, where I had to take a close up of the coffee to bridge that gap that was there from one scene to the other.
The other question I have for you, I was seriously cracking up when the mask was actually torn out of Kamlesh Bhai's kurta. You have to tell me the story around it, because I had to learn how to sew a mask, because obviously I wasn't getting it anywhere. So I knew the measurements. So I think it was like 6x9 square or something like that. And she holds the kurta with the same exact square. I was like, wow, you guys were to the T. You even had the measurements down for the kurta's mask. And she actually got a real nice, cute mask done out of it. Commendable. How did you know that? That was a measurement?
That's again very interesting, because we had the whole discussion about it, right? We have to go through Purvi's, Kalpesh's first thing we went through, Kalpesh's all the kurtis he had, and then figure out it was white, and then figure out.
So I think we went through his wardrobe of the things he could cut and the color. Then we send that picture to Purvi,
who's in LA.
LA.
This guy is in Mumbai.
To make sure that it looks very similar, and then once we agreed on that, then we started. So we did have some sort of a pre-meeting to kind of figure out if these things will work or not.
See, when we did quarantine, it was in such a situation where you can't even step out of the house. So it was not like somebody could go and buy a kurti in particular color. So we had to improvise. We have to do with whatever we have inside everybody's house. So that was a very interesting thing, again, to figure out how the kurti and the colors. The small thing was a big challenge. That was the most craziest thing about this shoot, to figure out the very small thing which you would not have thought Suddenly we have to sit down and figure out how are we going to do all that.
Yeah, and
One of the coffee mugs, the kurtis.
Yeah, one of the things that we got to know each of the actors' personal life very
Exactly.
much. So we know exactly what kind of
happens
clothes
to
they
their
have.
wardrobe.
We know how their bathroom looks like.
Exactly.
You know. So that was very interesting.
Yeah.
Kannan, he is my favorite character from the quarantine show as well as the previous Metro Park. Absolutely loving. I do have to meet him. I definitely want to meet him, talk to him. But I love the way he was sanitizing everything, even the watermelon. And then I know people were talking about, his wife tells him that the watermelon must have been tasting like a rum cocktail. You need to let me know, did that watermelon actually taste like a rum cocktail? What do you say? Can I get a bite of it?
We are yet to figure that out. When Omi comes back from DC, I'm going to ask him to bring that watermelon. I really want to taste it.
I am Mr. Kalpesh Patel.
मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे बहुत मस्त एको आ रहा है।
मैं शांति से बाथरूम भी नहीं जा सकती।
I think we can start moving to test. Inju, I think I'm positive.
Kalpesh,
Zoo,
Conan is positive.
Zoo, HIV.
गंदी बात, गंदी बात, गंदी।
Go Corona, go.
So obviously this is a mini series, but mini se bhi mini, absolutely packed with entertainment. 5, maybe at the most, I think 6 minutes of shows. How did you guys package it so well? The timing is unique to me. The timing is unique to me, and you were able to pack it up completely entertained. How did you guys even come up with this material, content, and this unique timing?
We wanted to keep it short. It was supposed to be 5 to 7 minutes and whatnot. And again, there was not too much of movement between, the actors cannot move around much. The space was very restricted. So from a writing standpoint, I think it was mostly there was nothing like a visual comedy, very rare unless Omi's character and whatnot. But mostly it was restricted to dialogues and achieving comedy through dialogues. So from a writing standpoint, that's how this episode was different, because it was very restrictive. So we have to be very creative in terms of how to bring about jokes, I guess, right? Abhi, what do you?
Yeah, I think what we did was we had 2 stories most of the time, right? So we had the A story, which might have been like the Kalpesh's and Pyle story, and the B story was always the Kannan story.
True. Yeah.
So whenever something got to a point where it's kind of stubborn, we switch back to the other story. So it helps that you have multiple stories in something like this, that it just you could pace it up back and forth.
True.
So as we're talking, right, COVID, March, April, timing, it was a panic. People were scared, and absolutely the only thing they knew was fear, right? It's the fear of the unknown. So all those aspects were covered really well. People who are scared, some people who are brave, mujhe kuch nahi hone wala, right? That kind of types as well. And what about the political issues? Would you have covered some of those political issues? I didn't see any political issues covered.
When we were writing that, I think the politics of COVID was not that evident at that point of the time. The whole debate about masks and no masks did not quite exist.
Yeah.
This was even before the Black Lives Matter movement and everything that happened.
Yeah.
So when we wrote and came up with this thing, this was practically the panic time. Everybody was home. Whatever happened, there was I think there was very less politics involved, I think, at that point of the time.
Yeah, I think people were just trying to figure out
Exactly.
what are we going to do with our lives for the
Yeah,
next, how are we going to get rice, how are we going to get our vegetable,
Right.
That's what main concerns with everyone, trying to figure out how do we function as a society.
Yeah, exactly. And I think people did not even, I think everybody was under an assumption that this is going to go away, right, in few weeks or few months. So this is something temporary, and now 6 months down the lane, we realize that this is a long haul. But it was not that we tried to shy away from the politics of it, but I don't think there was anything too political. The whole situation was not too political as it is today, I feel.
Yeah, and I think you know, as you know, we were writing it, we had to be like pretty fast in terms of like execution, because we felt that you know, the whole coronavirus thing, like every week it changed. You know, perception of like people changed.
Yeah.
And some of the jokes don't work like 2 weeks later, because they're so current.
Yeah.
You know, and that was one of the other challenges that we had to face, because we knew that we had to make it, we had to get it out really fast, because if it's out for another 2
That's
weeks,
true.
the concerns of the people are not,
Yeah.
it's not the same anymore.
And as the quarantine edition, I think we did each episode or 2 episodes together. We did not write the whole thing and then shoot it, right? We did it very dynamically.
Yeah.
You know, we wrote it, we shot it, we wrote it and we shot it, and that's how we achieved it. So yeah.
So, bated breath for the answer to this question. Are you releasing more episodes? I think we're kind of still in the lockdown. New Jersey is not getting out of a lockdown. I know the rest of the world is trying to move on, right? So, do you have more episodes coming up? And what about the next season?
Hoping and planning for a season 2. We are hoping to shoot in September if things work as per plan. So hopefully we'll have end of the year, early next year.
We'll have another season.
Another season 2 that's what's planned. Fingers crossed.
Guys, thank you for a wonderful job, and especially quarantine उनका जो entertainment हुआ show में, I'm sure, but हम सब का entertainment किया आपने, बहुत मज़ा आया. We actually absolutely enjoyed it. I think I'm going to see that with all of us here. We're going to see it again, because I think it definitely needs, you know, company, a lot of laughter when we watch it. Thank you for a wonderful job.
Thank you so much for having us. This was a great pleasure, and it was a very fun conversation.
Yeah, and thanks to Indus TV, you guys always been a great support for us, and thank you for all the love and support, and we appreciate that. Thank you.
So friends, if you haven't checked it out, as you know now, it's going to be super fun. You should definitely check it out. Metro Park Quarantine. It's on Eros now. You should definitely check out, and I think I saw a few episodes on YouTube as well. Definitely check it out. Have fun. Abhi and Ajay, thank you so much for coming into the studio, having this conversation on #Showbiz. We will definitely be talking to you for the next season as well. I'm waiting for the next season, definitely. Thank you so much. And #Showbiz, what happens here definitely does not stay here. Stay connected to #Showbiz, and we will be back soon. Keep watching more episodes. This is Usha signing out.